Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect Govee lights together. To get started, open the Govee Home app on your phone. Once the app loads, make sure all the lights you want to connect are already added to your account and are working properly. From the Home tab, look toward the top of the screen. You will see multiple options such as devices, commands, and others. From these options, select Group. If you cannot find it, swipe the menu left or right until you locate the group option. After opening the menu, select the option called Create Group. The app will then give you different grouping options. If the lights you want to connect are the same model, choose Same Model Group. This option is usually recommended because it allows the lights to stay synchronized more accurately. If you are connecting different types of Govee devices, choose Basic Group instead. Next, select all the lights that you want to include in the group. Take a moment to confirm that you have chosen the correct devices. After that, enter a name for your group. Once everything looks correct, tap Save. Your new group will now appear in the app. From this point on, you can apply colors, adjust brightness levels, and activate scenes for the entire group at the exact same time. Thanks for watching.